SpongeBob! 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 Wake up, boy! You're burning money! Mr. Krabs, what are we gonna do? SpongeBob, come into the office. What's wrong? This is the third time this week I've had to scrape you off with something. Well, I've been thinking we need to get you thinking about work. No offense, Mr. Krabs. I'm thinking of getting up my cold industrial life for a more natural and free life among the jellyfish. SpongeBob, you wouldn't last even one day out in the wild. This is your natural habitat. This is your wide open range. These are your amber waves. And this is your golden sector, in which you rule. That's better than dusty old jellyfish, huh? SpongeBob? Oh, I can't too last more than one day out in the wild. I'll show him. Barnacles. SpongeBob! SpongeBob! Oh, he'll be back, all right. And Squidward, I want you to have my can opener. And I thought this friendship would never pay off. Are you sure you want me to have this mayonnaise? Yep. You have these old nuts. All yours. Oh, though there is one more thing I want you to have. Hey, SpongeBob, what you doing? Having a garage sale? No, Sandy. I'm giving up all of my cold industrial possessions and live with the jellyfish. SpongeBob, out of all the crazy schemes, why would you want to live among the jellyfish? They're cold and mean and not too bright. Oh, Sandy, that's the exact kind of comment I'd expect from someone who lived the sham of a life I once lived. Goodbye. Won't be eating these. Buzz, 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 buzz. He took off his pants. I'll give him a week. I'll give him 11 minutes. Patrick said, I'm home. 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 Brothers and sisters, wait for me. Okay, I'm here. Wait, I just got here. My jellyfish instincts tell me to go that way. Buzz, buzz. This is the life. Here, Patrick, have a Krabby Patty. There he is, Patrick. Say your line. Why, thank you, Sandy. I would love one. Take Patty. Too bad SpongeBob's not here. These are his favorites. I sure wish he'd come home. Say bye. Oh, I can't do it. SpongeBob, come back. SpongeBob, not coming home. I miss you. Sandy misses you. Even Squidward misses you. I'm happy here. This is my home Hello, everyone. I'm back. I think I'm getting the hang of this. Whoa! Patrick, what are you doing? If I can't have you as a friend, I'm gonna make you a trophy. I even got this nice job for you. Patrick, go home. I'm a jellyfish now. I can see you there. I still see you. You're gonna look good on my mantle. Friends forever, SpongeBob. I got you now, SpongeBob. Yep. Wow. Okay. So this is how it's gonna be. I hope you're happy. Well, that's over. Back to jellyfish matters. Huh? Ooh, jelly. Ah, my jellyfish brethren are returning. Greetings, comrades. Oh, I'm itchy. Itchy. Why am I so itchy? Voices here. Ow, itch. Krabby Patties. Sandy. What have I done? I had a great life and friends and I gave all that up. Huh? Surprise! You guys are the best. I made a huge mistake, but please forgive me. I'll quit your blubbering and have a Krabby Patty. Oh, thanks, SpongeBob. Do us all a favor. Don't mind if I do. Ta-da! Okay, that's enough.
Hi.
Can we please stop this? Patrick Itchy! It is great to be home.